Now see, remembering old days. Now which days they are remembering every day? So Jatra was born in Khedi village in the middle of thick green jungles and hills. How wonder and how wonderful atmosphere is there. So his people had been living here for many years, even before his grandfather was born. Means his father, grandfather, great grandfather, from long time they are generation to generation they are living in Khedi village. And this village is surrounded by jungles and hills. How beautiful village is this? So there was place in Jatra's village, but not silence. There was peace in Jatra's village. There was everywhere is peace, and but not silence. There were so many shooting sound. So which kind of shooting sound they can listen? Like gurgle of the flowing rivers, means water flowing sound. Then murmur of trees. So like gurgle of flowing river, then murmur of trees, means trees movements, trees moving their branches. No, it's sound called murmur, and the chirping of the birds. So birds, when birds moving from one place to another place, they are chirping. Okay, so that's called chirping, chivchivat we called as in Marathi. So people did farming also in the village. They would go to nearby forests, chatting and singing together. They talk each others. They singing together. They collect the wild fruits like watermelon, then mangoes, such kind of fruits they are collecting from the forest. Then root also, and dry wood also for for making chula. So while working with elders, children also learn many things. They dance together. They also play flute and dhol. They learn to how to play flute and dhol, to make pots of clay and bamboo, to recognize birds sound and imitate their sounds. So in this way, in that village lots of activity every day is happening. Jatrabai say there is a peace, but there is not silence. People are working together, they are singing together, they are chatting with everyone, they are doing farming, they enjoying the wildlife, they are collecting honey, they are collecting fruits, they are collecting wood from the jungles. So they are enjoying their life. Their life is depend on only farming and the forest also. From the bamboo trees they are making nice tokri show pieces. By clay they are making pots. Then from the elders, from the elder children also learning many things like playing flute and dhol, making pots. Now Jatrabhai is also saying people collected things from the forest for their use. Some of those they would sell in town across the river. Whatever they collect they have to sell. They are going to across the river for selling the things whichever they are collecting from the forest in the town. So with the money they would buy salt, oil, rice and some clothes which are not available in their villages. Which things they are buying? Whatever they are earning by selling the things, forest things they are whatever they are earning, by that money they are buying salt, oil, rice and some clothes for them. So it was village, but people here live together like big family without any dispute. They are loving each others. They are living like one big family. So Jatra's sister was married in the same village, so people help each other in good and bad time also. So the elder would arrange the wedding and settle quarrels. So whenever wedding time is there, if anyone's wedding is there, other elder people are arranging things in the wedding. They are helping each other like family members. So Jatreya was now a strong young man. He worked hard in the fields and caught fish from the big river. What he doing in his village? He is cultivating land. He is doing farming, and he is catching the fish into the big river from the big river. And he and his friend would go to the forest to collect the fruits, roots, plants for medicine and fish from the rivers. And whatever they are collecting from the forest and fish from the rivers, they sell these things into the town. During festival time, Jatreya will dance and play the drum, as you can see in this picture. So with the boys and girls his age. So see how lots of things he was doing in his village, and obviously he will remember that every day. He missed every day of the village, whatever he spent in the village, because his village was nice, surrounded by beautiful area, nature of the beauty, and his that his people, Jatra Bhai and other people of the village have depend they had depend on the village farming and forest also. So they are enjoying their life with working. But Jatra Bhai is feel very bad in the city. He don't like city life. So that's why he was missed every day.